Greetings from Mojo Wings. Today I will explain you all the activities that are included in A-Level E-Fly with Joy Teachers Kit. Let's start. Let's start with Literacy Kit English. In this kit, there are many activities that are related to English, and these activities are connected to the books provided in the kit. The first activity is this My Big Story Book of Letter A. This is a very colorful book. Plus, the USP of this book is that it involves a story. Plus, we have many words which starts with the letter A, and the letter A is highlighted with each word. So, this will help the students in engaging and learning better. Let's start with our next activity. This is rhyme poster. So the students can read the rhyme and learn this. The teacher can display it in the class and the students can learn good habits through this rhyme. Let's start with our next activity. This is a story poster which involves a moral. So the students can read this story and the teacher can display it in the class for the lifelong learning. In the Literacy Kit English, we also have two charts. Number one is this finger fun. So the teacher can make different alphabets using her hands and the students can follow her and can learn the alphabets using finger fun. This is a very fun activity that would also help the students in developing fine motor skills and gross motor skills. The next chart is English alphabet chart. It involves capital and small letters, plus each letter involves an item which the students can recognize and learn. So the teacher can display all these charts, posters in the class and the students can revise it daily. A very interesting part of this Literacy Kit English is this board game. This is a box that will be provided. Plus, there are two boards. Using these two boards, the teacher can play the game. Plus, we have a dice and many flashcards. As you can see, we have many flashcards. Also, we have motivational stickers, which the teacher can use to motivate the students. Plus, we have this instruction manual, which the teacher can read and it will help her to play the game with the students. Now let's begin with Literacy Kit Hindi. The activities involved in this kit also are connected with the books that are provided in the Mojo box. The first activity is this My Big Story Book, Aa Ki Kahani. This is a very colorful book which involves a very interesting story. Plus, there are many words that starts with A. So the students can learn many words that starts with the A. Also, the colorful pictures will help the students in engaging in the class. Also, as you can see, we have an activity at the back of the book as well. Next is this poem poster, which the teacher can display it in the class and the students can learn and revise it daily. Likewise, we have another poem chart or poster which the teacher can display, which also involves a moral. A very interesting thing of Literacy Kit Hindi is this board game. This box is provided with the instruction manual. There are many flashcards which are provided, which the teacher can use and play the game. Plus, there is a board, a dice and some motivational stickers which the teacher can use to motivate the students. Next is this large poster of one mala which involves swar and vyanjan with different items which the teacher can display it in the class and the students can learn better and learn all the swar and vyanjan and revise it daily. So all these activities are provided in a very colorful, attractive way so that the students will not think that they are doing monotonous learning. Basically, the aim of this box is to help the students in indulging into lifelong learning, experiential learning, and experimental learning. Let's start with numeracy kit mathematics. In this kit, we have the first activity, this big book, Fun with Number 2. It includes a story which involves all the things with two numbers, and all the twos are highlighted on each page, as you can see. Also, this big book focuses on integrated learning as it involves a story which is a topic of English. So, English and mathematics are integrated through this big book, and it's a very colorful book so that the students get attracted towards this book and they will involve themselves into lifelong learning. The next activity in this kit is this big chart which the teacher can display it in the class so that the students can look at it daily and they can learn the counting numbers 1 to 20. Plus, this is a very pictorial chart so that the students can look at it and they can learn the counting 1 to 20 and they can revise it daily. Now we have a box which involves a game, My First Numbers. As you can see, we have a wheel, we have many flashcards, as you can see. Plus, we have an instruction manual which the teacher can read and she can play the game with the students. Also, we have motivational stickers which the teacher can use to motivate the students. Let's start with General Awareness Kit. In this kit, we have many posters like Help Stop the Spread of Germs, 6 Ways to Save Water, and Wash Your Hands. So the teacher can display these posters in the class as these posters will help the students in developing good habits. In the General Awareness Kit, we have many charts, classroom charts that the teacher can display in the class. All these charts are very informative plus colorful so that the students will not get bored looking at them daily and they will learn some things daily. For example, number 1 chart is this seasons chart. So as you can see, there are some pictures or scenes related to each season which the child can see and recognize. The next chart is Good Habits chart. Now this chart includes all the activities that the students should do daily and they should follow all these activities for better life. Next chart is Animals chart. Now as you can see, each animal is labeled, plus the water animals are displayed in water and the tree animal is displayed on tree, etc. They are displayed in certain ways so that the students can gain extra knowledge. The next chart is means of transport. Now as you can see, the air transport are displayed in the air or sky. The road transport are displayed on the road and the water transport are displayed in the water. So these charts are self-explanatory and they are very colorful, and if the students will look at them daily, they will learn every day and they will recognize them in their daily life. The next activity in this General Awareness Kit is this Popsicle family. Now, through this Popsicle family, the teacher can teach the students about different types of families and the family members. As you can see, each popsicle is labeled with the relation and the students can learn it. The next activity are these flashcards, but they also involve a sticker activity. As you can see at the back of each flashcard, the students can paste the sticker related to the scene. Also, the students can recognize all the things related to each place by looking at the picture, and teacher can do this activity in multiple ways. Now let's move to certain charts that the teacher can display in the class that would motivate the students in performing better in the class. For example, the super talented, happy birthday, star student, and 5 shining stars of the month. So all these charts can be displayed in the class, plus a pocket is given with the each chart, and the teacher can paste the picture and change the pictures regularly. Another thing about this teacher's kit is we provide a specimen of report card which the teacher can use and make his or her report card for the students. She can take the idea from this report card. Also, a sticker booklet is provided in the kit which will help the teacher in motivating the students. Another very interesting part about this kit is little hands at work. This kit will help the students in feeling that they are little scientists. Plus, there are many experiments given, as you can see, and some products are provided with this kit as well. These were all the activities that are included in A-Level eFly with Joy Teachers Kit. I hope you enjoyed. Happy learning!